Hello everyone, welcome to my second video I've posted on YouTube, and it's been exactly 1 week since my last one. The pups are 2 weeks old today and they are all going wonderful. 3 girls, 2 boys. As you can see, Bella is cleaning them and feeding them right now in her whelping box. This is a part here is a toilet area. There's a little doggy door for the pups where we'll be training them to go to the toilet. Up there we have a little baby cam set up on them, so at night time we can keep an eye on them. They are about 3.5 times their birth weight now in a week, so they're all going wonderful. And little Bella is such a wonderful mother. 2 of the pups have just today started opening their eyes, so I imagine over the next few days the rest of them will be doing the same thing. Bella, 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 hello baby, say hello to everyone. Bella, Bella, say hello to everyone. Say hello. Ah, good girl.